In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to surf in Pokemon Ruby. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to acquire HM3 Surf. Surf is mandatory to progress through the game, so you can get it quite early on, and I'm gonna give you the necessary instructions on how you can get it. So first, the main requirement is that you must defeat Norman. So Norman is going to be Petalburg's city gym's leader. So all that you have to do is progress until you reach Petalburg City, and by defeating Norman in there, you will be able to get Surf. Now, he will give you this line of text. Pokemon that know the HM move Surf will be able to travel over water after you acquire his gem badge, but he will not give you HM3 Surf. If you are playing Emerald, you will simply be dragged into Wally's parents' house where they will give you Surf automatically. But if you are on Ruby, Sapphire, then what you have to do is leave the gym and manually make your way through to this house. So after you are done defeating Norman, go to this house. Inside you will find Wally's parents, and by talking here to this NPC, he is going to thank you for being a good friend to Wally, and he will give you HM03 Surf. So to keep it simple, all that you have to do is defeat Norman in Petalburg's city gym, and after you defeat him, make your way to Wally's parents' house at the left of the gym. Immediately upon going inside and talking to Wally's parents, you will be gifted HM03 Surf. Now, you can teach it to any Pokemon that it is compatible with, usually water types, and when you interact with any body of water, you will be given the option to surf. It's simple, and all that you have to do is defeat Norman. I hope I was able to help you on how to surf in Pokemon Ruby. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.